Want to learn to read notes faster? Sea Turtle Shuffle is an excellent and fun way to practice quickly identifying and playing any note you see on the staff, in treble or bass clef. As you play each note correctly, you'll be helping a family of baby sea turtles hatch and find their way to the ocean.
Aww, baby sea turtles are so cute!
Sea Turtle Shuffle is designed to reinforce a guide note approach to note reading. Guide notes are specific landmark notes on the staff that we want to achieve instant recognition of. For example, in Level 1, you are only presented with the guide notes of middle C, treble G, and bass F. As you level up, additional notes are gradually and systematically added until you are confidently reading any note on the staff, including ledger lines. For extra challenge, at the end of every game, there's a speed round where you get to see how many cards you can complete in 20 seconds.
Turtles, more turtles! Oh, look at all the baby turtles!
I hope you have lots of fun learning to read notes confidently with Sea Turtle Shuffle.